Hi, I'm Don Rothrock with Rothrock Construction, owner of our design build firm. This is a project, it's called Delta D Point. It's in Hobe Sound, Florida. I wanted to start out here at this point today, at this couch. This point right here is very, kind of special. It's the one part of the whole house you can kind of see towards the intercoastal, towards the east, towards the actual west, and actually behind me to the intercoastal. The part that you do not see is another see-through fireplace that lends to the north. Our initial design, when we first started this house, with the homeowner, was a one-story house. When we started laying it out on the site actually has 350 linear feet of seawall that faces the intercoastal. After we laid everything out and put the body of the house on the south side, we actually found that the house lent more to a two-story, and we actually elevated it and put every bedroom with a water view. The second part that's very unique to this house is the actual front door. As you come into the front door, the design is three separate squares. The three separate squares that we kind of came up with the homeowner actually frames your walk coming into the actual house in a perspective, looking out through the actual intercoastal, through the disappearing edge of the actual pool. And a couple other, really unique points, that kind of inspired me, through design. The homeowner wanted to do some really kind of unique wood finishes. We started out with the cabinets, kind of behind me. There's a very contemporary look where it's all concealed, no actual hardware whatsoever, except on the appliances. We carried that out through a couple unique design screening elements. In those design screening elements, we have slat wall. We also have very big vertical slat wall pieces that outline a really kind of unique sitting area for the guest. And then we actually started tying in those colors to a very unique master bedroom and the bathroom. At the stairwell location, we actually had a floating set of steps. The homeowner actually kind of came with several different designs. We had several different design charrettes. It's one unique thing that, is kind of very special to our firm, from myself, our interior designers, and everybody that's within our firm. We always, kind of sketch really unique details. At the master bedroom, we went back and forth with a couple other different designs. When the homeowner kind of came in, he said, I wanted something really kind of unique and custom. I don't want the view to be blocked when I'm sleeping in my bed. So we created a sunken sitting area with a fire pit. So when you're actually in the bed, you still have a view out to the intercoastal. It's a spectacular, type of space. It also allows for a roll down screen that kind of comes down out of the ceiling. Once again, not blocking any views. Let me introduce you to Kelly Rothrock.
When selecting all the interior finishes for this project, I wanted to have a lot of nice natural stones. The client actually fell in love with this natural stone that we then had inlaid with a piece of wood. This is a centerpiece within the living space. A very clean contemporary chandelier is the main focal point for entertaining and dining. I also had a local fabricator do the metal legs on this beautiful dining table. It just kind of completes the feel of industrial, yet very lived-in modern, is what I like to call it. You'll see in the finish of the concrete floors, it feels homey yet industrial, a great living space for any family. And our client, I decided I was going to do a little bit of a lighter countertop and more movement. This ties in very nicely with the floors and some of the dark woodwork throughout the home. The oversized galley sink is a great way to not only entertain, but also great for large families. We prepped this for food and just becomes more of a working station. When choosing the finishes, we wanted to make it black and contemporary, but also more of a transitional feel with the stainless steel.
Once again, too, kind of an important part of the house is access points and viewpoints. At the very point of this, kitchen island, once again, you can go east, you can go west. It's a 360-degree view throughout the whole house with how we laid out the windows.
And another thing you'll notice throughout the home is all the knurled finishes. This is throughout all the hardware on the doors, also the handles throughout the kitchen and on the appliances. You'll also see that we did no hardware throughout the upper cabinets, which is a little bit more of a contemporary and clean look that a lot of our clients are asking for right now. When designing the master bedroom, we took in consideration the beautiful views. This property is on a point lot, and we wanted it to where the client can be in bed in their very beautiful custom bed that we had made, and look out, see the views. Also, they can watch TV. As you can see, there's no TV on the walls. So what we created was a drop-down TV in the bedroom. I want to bring back the attention to the upholstered bed. This is a beautiful suede that we selected with the client, paneled, which gives you that mid-century modern feel. Not something you typically see in South Florida, but we wanted to give that West Coast vibe. We believe this turned out to be a very luxurious hotel feel of a bedroom for our clients. And now we're going to leave the master bedroom and move into the master bath. One thing you'll notice in the master bathroom is the very large crystal chandelier. This is by Visual Comfort, who is one of my favorite lighting designers. When you enter the master bath, you feel like you've walked into a spa. From the beautiful faux finish wallpaper to the book-matched slabs, it really gives you an elegant feel. But I still wanted to capture that contemporary vibe of the home while giving it a little warmth. So what we did was a lacquered cabinetry. This is a Cusco Oro feel, and it just really warms up the space along with the slab. And then you'll see the backlit mirrors and the large scale sconces that really makes this room feel grand. It really makes you feel like you're in a true master bathroom. And then as you can see off the beautiful soaking tub, we then have the glass that dives into the window. This creates a very sleek, clean look. And outside these doors, you then enter the Zen garden and outdoor shower. So more of that spa feel that the clients were looking for. Another wonderful feature about this space is in the master shower, we did the new Kohler Anthem digital system. So using this, it controls all the showers and also gives the homeowner access to turn on the shower from their phone and also through a separate button outside of the bathroom. Another wonderful feature was when designing the home, Dawn wanted to have the closet right off the bathroom. So we did this luxurious closet for homeowners with the same lighting fixture, so it kind of ties in the room. You'll notice that the cabinetry is the same color, so we are taking the same color tones and just following it right into the closet and adding some of that brushed nickel feel of the other appliances throughout the space. And that concludes our project here in Hobe Sound, and we hope you guys all enjoyed.
Thank you very much.